Friends, Running Kimono here. This is your curbside video for the week of the 22nd to the 28th of February. You can do these deals right till the end of the week, and we are doing this through the Walgreens app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup, and there are so many fabulous meat and potato deals in this video. So basically, as described, you're going to order this through the app, and the box on the left-hand side with the green check, that's what you're pressing. And if you can't find the merchandise in your store, or it's not, quantities are not available, it means another couponer's probably beat you to it. Now, alternatively, if you're the kind of shopper that wants to be in store with register rewards, curbside no register rewards, but in store so many register rewards, watch yesterday's video and I will link it at the very end. You got to check it out. Lots of really smart deals. And Gizmo wanted to tell everybody on the East Coast, if you can't get out to the store, curbside, you have up to 72 hours after you put your order in to go pick it up. But even if you wanted to just wait later in the week, that works too. And he wants you to give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up too, and to be safe on the roads, especially for all the shoppers out on the East Coast specifically. Okay, deal number one. For this one, we need our best friend, which is the 7 back when you spend 25. Not everybody got this booster, but if you want to use it curbside, here is the deal for you. And if I was on the East Coast with a big storm, I probably would be doing curbside as well this week. So for this one, we're going to grab 3 of these Pantene shampoos at $5.49. We have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon, and I think there's a promotion of a $3 Walgreens cash when you buy 3 of them, so that's really fantastic. And then also to your basket, you're going to toss in 2 of these Head & Shoulders Bare. We have a 5 off of 1 and a 4 off of 1, and they're $10 a pop, and $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2, which is also really fantastic. Just to show you our chorus line, unfortunately, WAG 10 would not come off because I think all of these items have a sales price, so they don't work in concert, but that's quite the chorus line. And then just to show you the overall total for this is $36.47. Subtracting the $14 in digitals, you're going to pay $24.66 with tax. And then you're getting back $14 in Walgreens cash, 7 for the booster, 3 for Pantene, and 4 for Head & Shoulders. If you're using that spend booster, you got to pay with your debit card for the balance. Do not use Walgreens cash. If you do not have a booster at all, you can roll Walgreens cash, but you're only going to get 7 back, not the full 14. Okay, deal number 2. For this one, we are going to be getting some expensive dental care. We're going to need this friend loaded, the 15 back when you spend 45, and this is quite the magical booster. And if you have that 7 back when you spend 25, they are in fact stacking with another promotion. So we actually have a triple stack of boosters, which is like really fantastic. It's like $30+ of boosters, which doesn't really happen often. So when you get a triple stack rocking and rolling, that's when it's great. So the promotion for this, the fancier Oral-B IO, which are those electric toothbrushes, is that when you spend $50, you're getting back $15 in Walgreens cash. And there is a toothbrush that most stores have that's just under, it's like $59.99. So it's out there, but when you can get $30 back with these 2 boosters and then the 7 back, it makes it completely worth it. And so this is the brush that I was talking about. It's $59.99, and we currently have a 10 off of 1 manufacturer coupon. So make sure you have that one loaded. And I would do this deal earlier in the week too, because I think this one will probably just fly out of the store. Whenever there's a brush this cheap that you can get for $7.99, I mean, people just run to the store. And then just to show you, WAG 10 actually worked, where I could get $5 off, and then our $10 coupon is also melting off. Our total, friends, is $59.99, and then subtracting that big $5, we are at $54.99. So we're there for the spend 50 to earn back 15, and the spend 45 to earn back 15, and then the additional $7. Our $10 digitals melting off. Look at the tax. So with your debit card, pay $48.29. I know that is quite a bit. But thinking about it, if you're not factoring in the tax, because some states don't pay tax, it's $44.99, and then you're getting back $37.59 in Walgreens cash. It basically makes it like $7.99 for this toothbrush that's almost $60. So there is some value right there. Remember, do not use any Walgreens cash as you're juggling 3 different boosters, which is a lot. The final deal that I have prepared for you, there is a lot of meat and potatoes to this one. If you have this booster, that's great. If not, you can still do the deal. You're just not going to get a 7 back when you're spending 25. And what meat and potatoes means is just really good couponing stuff, like stuff couponers love. So this is on a promotion this week that when you buy 2 of these cheapy Walgreens razors, buy one, get one 50% off, you're getting $2 of Walgreens cash back. So it makes it like 98 cents for the 2. You can either do this in store or curbside, but we're doing this curbside. So we're going to toss in 2 of these ladies' razors, and here's the promotion, the specifics, and I believe it is the exact same in store. It might be a tallish order item to find, but it's 2 of these smaller secret whole body deodorants. We have a 7 off of 2, and it gets reduced down to cost, so it makes this item completely free. So as you see, it goes down to $5.98, the cost of the 2 items. 2 of the Dawn Power Wash refills. I know not every store has these, so you might have to go for the larger pumps that are $1 more. And we have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, which is like your Christmas and birthday gift. I mean, this is just such a fabulous deal if you can find these refills. And then we're also going to toss in 2 of the Febreze Air Effects for $3.49. And we have a $3.50 off of 2 digital coupon. Alternatively, you could get the small spaces too if that's your thing. I prefer these sprays, just preference. A Mr. Clean Magic Eraser for $3.29 with a $2 coupon, $1.29. I mean, guys, this is just a no-brainer. Everybody needs magic erasers for $1.29. And then just to show you guys our little chorus line, Febreze, Mr. Clean, Secret, Dawn, WAG 10 taking an additional $1.17 off, so that's nothing to sneeze at. Our total is $27.21. Subtracting that $1.17, the total is still at $26.04. So for the spend 25 to earn back 7, you're there. $15.48 in digital manufacturers melting off. So with your debit card, you're going to pay $11.43 and get back $9.35 in Walgreens cash. 7 for the booster, and then 2 for the Walgreens razors, and then a little bit extra for buying Walgreens products, so not bad. That's it for this video. Again, yesterday's video is linked right here. And if you are from the East Coast, be safe out there, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.